Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing unboxing of this Philips hand mixer. Hand mixer generally used for making batter of cake, muffin, donuts and pancake. This is a Philips mixer, daily collection, conical beater, 300 watt. This is lighter in weight, 2 times faster. It is made for cakes and you can see breads. And here let's go for unboxing it. So I'm opening this. I ordered this from Amazon. I will share you the link below in the description box. Packaging is very good. Above the box they have mentioned some features. So I have opened it. As you can see, the two handles. This is one of the beater, conical shaped beater. You will get the two-piece conical shape, and it's very steady and stainless steel. I like the quality. Now this is a dough beater. Again, it is very good quality and stainless steel. Now this is our main body. It is packed this way, as you can see. This is black in color. I really like the color. As you can see, it's very small and very lightweight. This is detachable button. This is your mode button, how speed you want to do, 1 to 5 speed. This is a turbo button. This is connection button, and here is a air vent. Now you can see full view of it. Now I can show you by attaching the beater. It's very light, very steady. Build quality is very good. It's very light in weight, as you can see. Now I'll tell you how it is working. Is it working smoothly or not? So as you can see, it's first speed, second, third, fourth and fifth with the highest speed. It's very smooth, very lightweight, and transition is good. Yes, so a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching.